What if the biggest decisions in the world, the ones that shape our lives, our countries, and even the fate of the planet, are not entirely objective? Imagine a force, invisible yet powerful, quietly influencing the choices of leaders, the direction of economies, and the course of history itself. Behind closed doors, far from the public eye, unseen influences may be at play, guiding outcomes in ways we rarely consider. Could it be that objectivity is just an illusion, masking deeper currents beneath the surface? Conflict of interest, subtle, legal, invisible, yet powerful. Different systems, different rules, same underlying risk. When influence meets power, neutrality begins to fade. Some call it lobbying, some call it corruption. But where is the line, and why does it matter globally? In the United States, influence is structured and legal, so money flows through campaigns, not directly to decisions. Information, access, and networks shape outcomes. Not illegal, but not entirely neutral either. So Europe emphasizes transparency and, stricter regulation. Lobbying is monitored, disclosed, and honestly, it's becoming increasingly scrutinized. Yet, influence still exists. It's just, a bit more controlled. In today's world, power doesn't always look like it used to. Instead of backroom deals and unchecked authority, influence now operates within carefully crafted boundaries. Regulations, oversight committees, and transparency measures are in place to ensure that decisions are made ethically and fairly. But make no mistake, those with experience and connections still find ways to shape outcomes. The difference is, their influence is monitored, documented, and, ideally, held accountable at every step. In Indonesia, conflict of interest often intersects with power. When relationships shape decisions, risks escalate. And when benefits follow, it becomes corruption. Globally, the principle is simple: fairness, transparency, accountability. But when conflicts of interest go unchecked, decisions ripple into global instability. The question is not whether influence exists, because it undeniably shapes every aspect of our world, from the decisions made in the highest offices to the subtle shifts in our daily lives. Influence is woven into the fabric of society, guiding conversations, policies, and even the way we perceive reality itself. The real question, then, is whether we are willing to recognize its presence, to look beyond the surface and acknowledge the forces at play. Are we prepared to confront the uncomfortable truth about who holds power and how it is used? And most importantly, will we choose to take action, to challenge, to question, and ultimately to change the systems of influence that define our collective future? The choice, as always, is ours to make.